So just had nariyal pani, coconut water. It's too hot. It's around 10:45 and it's actually very hot. So I have completed around 89 or 90 kilometers. Target is 100 kilometers for the day. Taking a lot of water breaks. It's very hot and I am at 96 kilometers and decided not to give up unless I complete 100. So I think this will be the last break. After that I'll go back home. Let's see. I'll keep you posted. Soul, completed my 100 kilometers. You can see it here. I'll share the Strava map anyways. So now this is my MTB. So today we'll discuss about fitness. So this channel is about fitness and fun. So the agenda is completely related to fitness today. So before I start, I just completed my third 100 kilometers ride on this bike this month, starting September 3rd, and over 700 kilometers of workout starting September 1st, 2020. So the thing is, how to complete a 100 kilometers bike ride on an MTB, or if you do not have friends. So the major concerns people have that I do not have anybody to go out with me, so I cannot go. So the simple answer to this question is, your fitness, your body is your responsibility and your accountability. You can get inspired and motivated by people, but again ultimately it's you who need to do the hard work. So don't wait for anybody and just go out. So the advantages of doing that is, first, you will not have a dependency on the time. If somebody is coming along or not, the availability concerns won't be there, and most importantly, you will be able to challenge yourself and you can achieve your own milestones at ease. So the thing is, when you work in a team, you are as strong as the weakest member in the team. So that dependency will also go away. So that is one point. The other concern is, like, I do not have a good bike. How do I complete all these challenges? I need to get a road bike. I have to spend a lot of money on it. So no. So this is Montarock 1.1. I have been using this since last 5 years. It's a TI brand, Indian brand bike. I bought it for around 20k or lesser than that, and I have been riding on it since last 5 years and I have not faced any challenges. So again, everything is about your willpower and everything is in the mind actually. So you need to decide and you just need to motivate yourself and go. That's it, simple. Now the other things are, like, how do you complete? So you cannot start on your day one and complete 100 kilometers bike ride. So you need to start with your baby. Actually lot of work got filled, so I had to delete few files. So again I need to get a GoPro to make all these challenges sorted, but again I am not a professional blogger, so I am somehow managing with my mobile phone only. So yes, I was talking about how to, I mean, you should motivate yourself and nobody else can do that to actually complete. It's all in the mind. So you should start with your baby steps of around 20 kilometers first day, 25 kilometers, and then the target that you need to set is like every day you need to do better than what you did the last day until you achieve it. that is one thing. The other thing is, when you go for a long ride, you should be well prepared. So well prepared with hydration, well prepared with a bit of sugar and salt. So it's like, it's not only water. You should also have some energy drinks. I had coconut water, you have seen the video of it. So otherwise this sun will actually do a lot of harm when you are out for a long time exposed to the heat waves, and especially when it is very, very hot here in Gurgaon. So for that, what you need to do is like what I did. I carried 2 bottles of water, and I had some mineral water. I had a coconut water, as well as I had some 2 breads and peanut butter in the morning. So you can also carry few chocolates with you. You can have bananas in the morning, and then try to start early in the morning, so that you are able to cover most of the distance when the sun is not out. So that will be a pleasant weather, and you can do a lot of workout, and saving a lot of energy that can help you. So this is all about it. Apart from that, what things do you need to carry? The bare minimum things that are required. I don't think that anything else is required, because I have not seen the necessity of it since last 5 years. So one thing is very important, is this mirror. So this mirror that you see here, this is very important. So you know how people drive in India and in the northern part of India, so people may come and hit you from behind. So you should always keep an eye on the road, not only on the road, but who is coming behind you. That is applicable when you drive as well. And when you walk or when you run, you can run on the opposite side of the road when facing the vehicles, so that you know if you are in danger or not. The other thing that I carry is a cycle computer. If you see here, this keeps me posted about my distance coverage, the speed at which I am moving, the average speed, the top speed, so all those things. So that helps you to actually keep a track of your workout session. You should have a bell. That is important. At times people do not hear, do not listen, because cycles are like eco-friendly vehicles and do not make sound. So you need to have a bell as well. You should keep a pouch like this one. So this pouch has a lot of space in it. So I keep some money here. I have a sunglass which is ultraviolet proof, and rather it also helps you to protect your eyes during from the dust, allergies and etc. So 2 bottles of water. You should have this tail light, very, very important. So this will actually save you, rather intimate the other people who are coming from behind you. You should always also have a light. I have removed it because I started at 6 AM in the morning, so it was already it was not dark at that time. The sun was already out. So the sun was not actually out, but yeah, it was daylight. So I did not carry it. Otherwise I do carry light here as well. I carry my phone. Obviously it is required in case of emergency, so that pouch is actually required. You should wear gloves. This will save you. So it has some padding here, so this will help you with all your comfort for the ride. You should wear a helmet, very, very important. This will save you in case you fall down while riding. And then you should wear this as well. This will absorb all the perspiration that you will get, the sweat, and it will not fall on your eyes. Plus it will also save your hair. So, and then you should wear proper shoes. You should wear a padded short for bicycle, so it will keep your ride a bit easier. So I don't have any gel padded seats, so don't use them, so they are waste of money. And that's it, I guess. So hopefully many of you will be able to complete 50 kilometers at least in this month. So all the best. Keep working out, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.